Do you have a perfect relationship? Do you want to find the right person? Do you want to keep the spark going in your marriage? Well, if you answered yes, then keep on watching on Wisdom Wednesday. Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm so glad you guys were able to tune in today. Welcome back to Wisdom Wednesdays, where I talk about anything and everything. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and click that bell. It will notify you with all the videos that I'll be uploading. Typically every Wednesdays and Fridays. Wednesday, Wisdom Wednesdays, and then Friday for anything fitness related. But if you're not interested in that, then you can tune in every Wednesday or every Wednesday and Friday, or just Friday. You know what I mean? Random things that I experienced, read about on, that I would like to talk about. And today's topic, honestly, I don't even have a topic. As you can tell by the title, today is my 3-year anniversary, and it's pretty exciting that I've been married for this long. I know for some, compared to some people, it's not that long, but if you guys are married and you've been married for a year or more, like, you know, like, especially if you're dedicated in your marriage, like, you know how hard it is. And to me, even though it's 3 years, it means a lot to me because it's hard. It is hard being married. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep this short. I wanted to show you guys a little, like, just a clip of me and my husband cooking, because food brings us together. The takeaway of this video, before I roll the clip, is that you and your spouse, or you and your boyfriend, girlfriend, are always going to be different, and me and my husband are completely different, and what brings us together is food. That's why if you guys see my previous vlogs, I'm always eating, we're always trying new restaurants, or even going to the grocery store. That's our thing. That's really weird, but that's what brings us together. And I encourage you guys, if you are married or with somebody and you plan on marrying that somebody, is don't focus on the differences. Work on the things that bring you guys together, and food is one of the things that bring us together. And so, and it's funny because my husband wanted to be a part of this video, not 100%, but I just thought it was really cute, so I really wanted him to kind of help narrate what he's doing. It's pretty cheesy, but to me it's cute because my husband was very shy being on the video, even though I don't even have that much subscribers, but I thought it was really cute. So I hope you guys enjoy us cooking, and if you want to make this recipe, go ahead and copy it. We're making a big pot of spaghetti sauce, and so as you can tell, my previous vlogs or my fitness channels, is that spaghetti was just my thing. It's my current food option, because I just feel like it just sets the goal for me, and it just does it for me. But I hope you guys like it, and if you guys are interested in making some really good spaghetti sauce, then keep on watching. Yeah, but I shouldn't have told you what I was trying to do. Might as well just could have kept. Cherry tomatoes. This would be better. Should I get the colorful ones or the red ones?
Just the regular red.
Just get one lemon.
Yeah, sure.
This is for me. I'll eat this. This is so delicious. Alright. So more information about our ingredients. My husband's gonna go over what we need, what we're gonna do to get started, and we're gonna be making a spaghetti sauce first. So this is all of it, right?
Yeah.
This is no joke. This is actually for real.
Yeah, that's for real. So usually you want to use red wine.
but I don't have red wine. I'm not gonna buy red wine, so you can also use beer. Gives a little bitter taste.
Can I use any beer?
Yeah, you want to use something better than Pabst, but that's all I have, so I make it work.
You gotta improvise. Okay.
Yeah. So you wanna go with the ingredients?
So we have crushed tomatoes. This is San Marzano style plum tomatoes. We have 2. We're trying to make it last for the rest of the week because, like I said in my previous video, I like to eat this throughout the week. And then we have crushed tomatoes. We have 2 of those. So we have the beer in replacement of wine. And then we have pepper, crushed red pepper, and onion, Italian blend. An actual onion, and then garlic. Is this?
It's just regular garlic, pepperoni, Italian sausage.
That's pepperoni.
Yeah.
And this is the bell pepper. Is
Yeah.
that focus? So,
Green and red peppers.
and then Italian. So this is our starting. All right.
And real Parmesan Romano cheese. Not that fake stuff in a can. You want like the legit stuff.
So bam. There you
I get
go.
the kind with pepper because it gives a little spice. It's pretty good.
And this is Mike's way of making his sauce. Typically we use fresh tomatoes, but since we'd rather save, we're actually going to use a can. It's actually faster to cook this way. Last week you broiled tomatoes and you peeled off the skin. That's another way you can do it, but you don't want to.
Yeah, if you don't want to use crushed tomatoes, the real way to do it is you can boil them to take the skin off. I usually roast them in olive oil with garlic and salt. It gives it a little char, and then let them cool, peel the skin off, and actually get in there and crush them yourself. It tastes a lot better, but kind of takes, it's an extra step I don't want to do. Pretty much gonna let it like liquefy. I'm gonna go onion powder, right, and then salt.
All right, so the garlic is ready.
So the garlic you're gonna wait a little bit because you don't want it to burn, or else it's gonna turn bitter. Like that.
I'm more visual than.
So we're starting to brown already.
So this is starting to brown.
Yeah, and you see all that fat and that juice is starting to come out. That's what you want.
This is the fat coming from the.
Sausages, pepperoni, and the moisture from the onions. But you kind of want to watch it. You can always brown up the sausages first on in the same pan, and then do the onions after. I just do it like this. Just Italian seasoning. As you go about like that, because we're making a lot of sauce. If you want to use fresh stuff, it's better, except for oregano. Oregano is always better if you use dried. Kind of just break down in there anyways. So I just Italian seasoning, more onion powder, a bit more salt. Want to add sugar? It's going to cut down on the acidity and make it sweet. So we'll go ahead and mix this all up. You're gonna kind of watch it as it cooks. It's also good to, like, if you put brajol in there, pork chops, and meatballs also. And don't even bother tasting it now because it's gonna taste kind of gross. You gotta let it go for a really, really long time. Also, these are gonna want to add some water to give it some relief.
Does this make it more watery or?
No, because it's gonna boil for so long, you don't want it to burn. So a lot of that moisture is gonna come out. More red pepper flakes. Like I said, we like stuff spicy. And get the lid, baby. What makes this what it is the cheese. Oh, take that wrapper from me. And always use fresh. Don't use that powdered stuff because it's not gonna taste good.
So this is gonna take a while, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
5 hours later.
But yeah, that's starting to come out. It's not even close to being done. It's still too watered.
See, this time I put a timestamp when I first recorded this. Look what this is, what time it's done.
So So it's done. That's how you know it's done. And it looks like that. And then with pasta, I got regular spaghetti going. I usually like the linguine in. And never rinse your pasta after.
So this is the end product.
Alright, so it's just, that's the sauce, that's the gravy, whatever you want to call it. Your sausage.
Is it
and
gravy?
your spaghetti. It depends. How people call it gravy, some people call it sauce. And then pecorino romano cheese on top.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed me and my husband cooking. I know it wasn't too much, but I wanted to make this a part of Wisdom Wednesdays because it's our 3-year anniversary. So I'm so glad you guys were able to tune in today. The takeaway of this video and the wisdom, your weekly dose of wisdom, is that I want you guys to walk away in knowing that you guys are always going to be different when you're with somebody. Focus on the things that bring you guys together. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi to the channel? I'm a pet parent, guys. Say hi. Can you look at the camera? I know she doesn't really look appealing, but she's the most sweetest dog ever. She's old. She's 9. Okay.